أجايبنا كنافي انجروا عملنا كنافي وقادا وان Abdulaziz ياسين Barattoota ناتي إلما نما وصلتين ربي فتان هذه بطو إلا ديبيا عملنا كنافي.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our program is continued as this. And now the next program is amazing motivational speech by our best student, Mr. Sulaiman. Please let's give a big round of morale for him.
Marsa sekarang kita berdoa sekarang kita mesra tu Haasawa esa kaunnya isiniif Abdii isiniif Kaka'umsaa kesan akka dagag botangori Barattoota Sulaiman abilena kenavi Sulaiman Sufia.
My honorable point distinguished guests, his families, friends, faculties, and staff. And congratulations to my class of 2022. Develop a strong mind and you will lead strong life. If you only ever listen to one thing I say, listen to this. Develop a strong mind and you will live a strong life. A strong mind built from feeding with a positive thought and learning new thing habit. Not every now and then, not for a little while. Every single day, some man builds a strong equality. When you are grateful for everything you do have no room for negativity, no room for doubt or anxiety. Some man builds those goals that give you a reason to get out of bed and attack at it. Some man builds from now you're responsible for your life, your result, your success and failures. Some man builds learning anything every day on the topic expand your mind and develop your skills. Growth is the key to life. If you are growing and challenging yourself every day, you will lead a happy life. If you are not, you will suffer. And mind is like a muscle. It gets stronger when you embrace challenge, when you push it to the limit, and when you learn what work is and apply that to your life. A strong mind when that surrounds all the right people. A strong mind does not let opinions or scores in life. It follows our past. No matter what. So many want to visualize success and prepare to work and to make the future come to life. So mind does not let fear get in the way of success. A strong mind is strong life. Zig Ziglar once said, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one will stop you. Live your life with the determination to learn every single day, and no one will stop you. Every day is a new opportunity to be better, to make a better choice, which was the time to make a better life. Every day is a new opportunity to take responsibility for our actions. Because honestly, can I do better? No more excuse. It's not my boss for my week. I'm where I am because of my decision. Can I do better?
Yes.
Will I find out how can I do better?
Yes.
It's starting when? It's starting right now. What about my happiness? Can I do better? Yes. Because it doesn't matter what happens around me, and there's only one person that decides what happens within me, and that is me. Thank you. Once again, congratulations.
Galatomi. Thank you so much. I'm really like another Kadebati. Moral, please once more again. Moral. Marsa Gantoni Gena. Jalqaba Ragira Mama, Jalqaba. Kitarin Gene. Marsa Gantan Itianes Media to Kanabetu Lata. Mal